Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking down prerequisites. Pick fingerprint or face sensor based on throughput and budget, then verify the vendor SDK supports your platform. Once chosen, procure the exact sensor model and check connectors and power requirements. Make sure to reserve a secure enrollment station where you'll register users. Next, create a basic network plan and assign static IPs if using Ethernet. This prevents later discovery headaches. Begin with a simple proof-of-concept device to avoid large-scale rework. Now integrate the SDK into your app. Install drivers, run sample capture, and ensure templates export correctly. Once done, design a compact database schema that stores user ID, template blob, and events with timestamps. Implement enrollment that captures multiple samples per user to improve matching. Set matching thresholds conservatively to balance false accepts versus false rejects. Also add retry and fallback modes, card swipe or PIN. Finally, run end-to-end tests under load to tune performance and timeout behavior. For deployment, mount devices, connect power and network, then perform on-site enrollment for real-world samples. Make sure lighting and finger placement are consistent. Next, calibrate matching thresholds and set NTP for accurate timestamps. Make backups of templates and enable secure firmware update channels. Monitor logs and audit trails centrally so you can spot anomalies quickly. If something goes wrong, revert to the last known good firmware. Check sensor diagnostics and re-enroll a small set of users to isolate hardware versus data issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.